Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, one job. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I'm dead. Welcome back. It's crack-a-lacking cool kids. I think that's gonna be my new intro, so I say that a lot. I don't know. But anyways, as you know, like waxing stuff was closed and stuff like that due to corona. So I was like, you know what, why don't I just try waxing myself? Because, you know, I've waxed myself with strips before, you know? So since I waxed myself with strips before, I was like, you know what, this isn't working. This isn't doing the job. So why don't I just buy like the actual waxing pot? I was gonna order on Amazon, but then like it was really expensive. So then I just decided like, nah, let me search it up. So I got one at Ulta. So what I got at Ulta was I got this GG. I got everything at once. So I bought the GG wax. I bought the GG wax beads. Like I bought everything at once. So everything all together, the wax, the beads, and then I think I got something else, the waxing strips. It was $60, which is actually pretty reasonable. So don't be like, oh, that's so expensive. It was actually pretty reasonable. So we're just gonna get straight into it. I actually used it like I think like 3 weeks ago. Like to try it out, and it actually works really well. So like, you know, I'm gonna be saving some coins. I used to get like Brazilians and stuff like that, but like I can do my own. Oh, then I got some popsicles at Walmart, so you know. So like I don't really have like a lot of armpit hair. Like, I mean, it grew back kind of. I don't know if y'all can tell. That's like barely anything, bruh. So we're just gonna wax our armpit and we're gonna see, because you know, why not? Last time I remember from this was that it was really hot, so I'm gonna be sweating. Okay, so right now I just plugged up the machine, so then I put it on high. So now we're gonna put our beads in. And yeah, I don't need a lot. They have multiple colors. I got the aloe vera one because, you know, essential oil. So that's heating up. I'm gonna just leave it over there because it's doing this thing. I have a little bit of deodorant on my armpits, but like, you know, I'm just gonna wipe it off with some baby wipes. I mean, what? With some makeup wipes. I'm kind of nervous, not really. I can take pain. Like, I think me and pain are like, I don't know, I feel pain, but I don't know, there's no need to like cry about it, you know? It's just like, just take it. Like, you know, you already started, so like you might as well just finish it, you know? So that's my thing when it comes to pain, because people always be like, I don't know how you can like self-inflict pain. Like I can never do that. I'm just like, I mean, you know, the job has to be done, guys. Right, that's what we're starting off. So I'm dead. That's not even like a lot, but it's whatever. I tried to let it grow as much as possible, so bear with me. Now we're just waiting for it to heat up. It's melting pretty fast. Guys, look at my tap. Look, it's peeling. Oh, why does it actually look good on camera? Oh, well. Okay, so now we're back, and I'm pretty sure it's almost done melting. I lowered the heat because I didn't want to burn myself. So I'm just gonna like stir it. Oh, yeah, okay, it's done. I've lowered the heat because, boy, when that stuff get hot, it gets hot. Alright, so as y'all know, like, you know, I'm like a legend when it comes to, you know, piercing, waxing, you know, you name it, I do it, you know? So, you know, of course you have to have your gloves, you know, we gotta be clean and safe out here. Oh, I can't even have my hair in my way. I don't care. So this is what we're working with. I got like a little bit of taco meat. Y'all can see like a little bit of taco meat. So we're gonna get our baby powder, and then we're just gonna put it on her hand. It's gonna help to dry out all the oils and like sweat if we are sweating. Then we're doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm actually kind of nervous because I know how hot the wax is, and like when it gets hot, dude, it gets hot. Okay. Oh, I can like feel like the heat. Let me put it on my arm like as a patch test to see how hot it is. It's hot, I can feel it. Oh, that's not that bad. Okay, that's not bad. Now we're gonna apply. So I don't really know what direction my armpit hair grows. I think it grows down. Honestly, it's looking like it grows in every direction. So I'm gonna apply the first layer down and pull it up. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm scared because the worst part for me is the
Oh shit! Oh shit!
one job. No, not my tights. Okay, let's try this one more time because that just made me kind of mad. Okay, so now we have our wax, and then you're gonna apply it the direction your hair grows, and I'm gonna apply it downward. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. That's actually really hot, bruh. Then you're gonna wait for it to dry. Oh, baby powder. So since you applied it in the direction where your hair grows down, then you gotta pull the opposite way where your hair grows up. So now we're gonna pull. This is gonna hurt. I can feel it. I can feel it. Like I'm pulling this little piece and I can already feel it's gonna hurt. 1, 2. And then make sure you apply pressure so you don't feel the pain. Oh, dang. Look, it took it off. Look at the roots, dude. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Wait. It feels like a... Never mind. Okay. We have more to do. Okay, I'm sweating, so I can have to put more baby powder, dude. I feel that sweat. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the other side. Then I'm gonna get this side again because I feel like I have a little bit of cleanup. All right, 1, 2. Oh, that wasn't that bad. That actually wasn't that bad. Oh, that wasn't that bad. So this is basically what it looks like. See, no hair, dude. Oh, I basically really got all of it, to be honest. I'm just gonna go do another cleanup. But yeah, no hair, dude. On to the left. All right, so you see we got our... Bro, I barely got no taco meat. I barely got any taco meat on here. Sorry, guys. I try to let it grow out as much as possible. This shit better not get on my shirt, bruh. Before I get annoyed. Ooh. I got a little bit of long hair on here, actually. Y'all can't even tell. But whatever. I'm gonna start with the top. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Sorry, it was hot. So sorry, it was hot. It's hot. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it already hurts. Ah. Okay, 1, 2. I got the hair. This ain't no joke. Like, this ain't no joke. The pain is worth it, bruh. Like, it beats shaving. It beats shaving. It's very worth the cost. Ah, frick, I got on my top, dude. I'm a professional, you know. Like, I'm kind of, you know, we make mistakes, you know. You heard Tekashi's new song? That boy bang. I like it. I'm a Tekashi fan. He's my role model. He's my inspiration for living, you know. He's... Let me stop talking, bro, because before the universe came talking about Tekashi, they said, oh, bro, we're gonna beat you up, bro. Okay, 1, 2. Ooh, just get it over with, bro. Just get it over with. Ooh. Okay, look, my armpit's literally clean, bro. Now we're gonna do some cleanup. We're gonna get like some extra areas in case we missed a few hairs, you know. So we're gonna do it one more time. Ooh, that's how you apply wax, dude. That's how you do it, like a licensed. If you want to get waxed, I do it all. I do belly, arm, armpit, Cooter, you know, just book your appointments with me. You know, Houston, Texas, just let me know, or I can fly to you, because you know. You know, some people have like dark armpit problems. I don't really have that. I would say if you do, I think waxing does help with that, because like, I don't know, if you keep shaving over and over and over, then like dirt, like, it's gonna get darker. And so like, yeah, this could be a good alternative. And like, the hair takes longer to grow. I haven't waxed in 3 weeks, so that's why like I barely had any taco meat. Y'all couldn't see anything, but you know, because waxing, bro, it takes slower. The rate of growth is slower. It's better. It makes the road go around, dude. Ooh, I felt kind of good, actually. That's it, basically. Like, these are my armpits. Literally, they're like clean. I still have some wax on them, but like literally, like, that's it. Usually I get some type of oil and I just like pick it off, or some people get tweezers and pick the remaining stuff off. But like, yeah, not gonna lie, I will actually do my Cooter, but I need like 30 likes. That's easy. That's easy. So especially since I'm starting, like, you know, low, I'm a little small YouTuber or whatever, 30 likes, that's doable, and I'll do it, bro. I'll actually wax my Cooter if I get 30 likes. 30. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. And make sure you check out my other videos.
Oh, that's not it. Chiiyoma, what the fuck? All night, wow! She got.
They're all there for my meet and greet, you know. Thanks for coming out, guys.